In front of me is OUKITEL RT8 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps in the background. I will start with Chrome and then open Play Store. Now you need to access background apps by clicking on this square button. Following that, decide which app you wish to use on the left side of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then tap on Split Left and click on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the left or to the right and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!